Hey Aries, welcome to the Jezebel Way Tarot. Wanted to say thank you for the 1,095 views for last week's What to Expect. I sure appreciate y'all. What was I going to say? This is your What to Expect reading, October 25 through 31. First part of the week, we've got Pisces energy. Then, moving forward, we've got Aries energy, middle of the week, end of week, Moon in Taurus for the blue moon for Halloween. So I guess that the Taurus moon is going to be about second chances. It's going to be about forgiveness of yourself. It's going to be about goal setting and what do you want moving forward. So with the Pisces energy in the beginning of the week, hey, take a chance to dream, okay? Start putting that into action in the middle of the week, and then by the end of the week, you've got goal setting happening, second chances and forgiveness. So that'll be a pretty interesting week. Plus, it's Halloween. Hello. Samhain for some of us, or Samhain, however it's really pronounced, but you know I'm from Texas, so I say whatever. Okay, so Aries, let's see what we got for you this week. All right, release, let it go. Work on your foundation. You're going to be coming into a waiting room. Believe and succeed. So, Aries, you're going to be all about action this week. You're going to be like cutting people down or things. So, I say go for it. Get rid of the stuff that's holding you back. Move forward this week. It's going to be a really good, opportune time to make goals and to move forward for the coming week. Don't let shit stand in your way this week. That's what I say. All right, so let's see what we got going, Aries. You better show me. Aries, October. You are moving forward in your own foundation with your happiness. Good job. You got a lot to say this week. Got a lot to say this week. Go for it. High Priestess right behind it. Don't mince your words. Say what you need to say. You know, hey, be a straight shooter. Okay, moving forward this week. Your energy is here. You're moving forward from a past situation this week. Excellent. Past situations had you a little bit confused, a little bit feeling rejected. And there may have even been some moments in which you were ready to give up on something, or you may have given up on something, and boom, here comes this Taurus energy at the end of the week. So I think don't act, right? But don't jump to conclusions this week. There is something coming at the end of the week for you as a result of releasing and letting something go. So let's see what this is. Okay, yeah, might have a little reconciliation this week. You're going to be manifesting. You weren't manifesting before. You weren't in the right mindset for this thing. Now you're ready to rock and roll. Okay, word's going to be coming in. You're going to be aligning yourself with this thing, and you're done wasting damn time. You say, you know what? Forget you then. I'm going to walk away from this, and I'm going to go toward my happiness. So it looks like you're going to be releasing the past to move toward a new thing. Love. Okay, you're going to say what you mean and mean what you say. You're going to let betrayals go by the wayside also. You're just going to say, nope, I don't have time for that. I got stuff to do. So let's get some advice for you. For some of you, this is an incoming offer that you've been waiting on. You didn't think was going to happen. For others of you, you're releasing past partnership, relationship, job. You're going to be moving towards something new. But nonetheless, it's going to be an action-packed week for you, Aries. my goodness, divine guidance. The search for meaning. Consider an alternative approach. Surround yourself with wise teachers or friends. So, Queen of Wands action happening already. 3 of Coins, planning for your own future, and you're going to have luck in doing that. Now is the time to move forward toward whatever future this is that you want. New beginnings, end of delays. I like that. Boom, here you go with this offer. Wisdom. A situation that calls for honest and open communication. Honest and open communication. Oh, hell. Honest and open communication this week. Boom, comes an offer. I like it. Okay, Aries, so get your seatbelt on.